Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 55 minus 22, okay, is equal to 33. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now 33 multiply 3 is equal to 99. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 55 minus 22 multiply. Now 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So is equal to, here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication, okay? Then we have to solve subtraction. So 55 minus, now 22 multiply 3 is equal to 66. So now 55 minus 66 is equal to minus 11, okay? So the correct answer is minus 11. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.